Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech World. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to join in a meeting using link on Google Meet. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Joining a Google Meet video call is easy. If you'd like to join in using a link, first make sure to log into your Google account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open your inbox. You should receive a meeting invitation link. Simply click on the link that has been sent to you. And you'll be able to see that there is a meeting link that has been attached in your inbox. Click on the link and you'll be able to join into a meeting on Google Meet using the link. Click on Join Now. And there you go. That is how you'll be able to join a meeting using a meeting link on Google Meet. To end your meeting, click on this red Leave Call button at the bottom and from the pop-up click on End the call. And that is it. I hope you learned how to join in a meeting on Google Meet using an invitation link. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us as soon about this more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.